Hello, welcome to Icon Hotel's Year 2 Quarterly Report. While we had a rough start to the year, we were able to increase in most of our KPIs other than occupancy percentage. However, even though our year-to-date occupancy percentage is not as good as last year, due to the increase in rates, our other KPIs have greatly improved, although it is harder to see due to the bad months that we have experienced. As you can see by the comparison of the revenue and profit graphs, for year 1 and year 2, one can see how they have slightly shifted upwards for more revenue, net profit, and GOP. We have also improved in controlling for differences in high and low season revenue.
For our ADR, RevPAR, and total RevPAR, everything has been quite stable during the third and fourth quarter, respectively. We are slowly improving in comparison to last year, and in order to boost these figures, we will need to work on the refurbishment of our rooms. After looking at our occupancy and RevPAR indexes, we have noticed that quarter 3 of this year was not really good because we were well below the baseline. However, in quarter 4, our occupancy and RevPAR indexes were a bit better. The opposite goes for the ADR index, and as one can see in the fourth quarter, our indexes have a staggered pattern. This is very different from the other periods, and we are not quite sure what triggered such a trend. Our aim in terms of market segment is to really target business standard with higher prices in the low season, since we have noticed that they are our largest group of clients in the first and fourth quarter despite the elevated prices. In other words, these clients are not price sensitive, and we hope to take advantage of this.
For the food and beverage department, the year-to-date of this year is 0.9%, which is very low compared with 14.6% from last year, due to the loss of the first 2 quarters. However, in the last 2 quarters, we got rid of the negative income and made 70,000 Swiss francs in quarter 3 and 50,000 Swiss francs in quarter 4. We established our new strategy in quarter 4, which is increasing both check price and cost to level up our F&B department, together with the restaurant renovation. It indeed brought us positive feedback from guests, and hopefully will also boost our covers in the next periods.
In terms of the human resource department, we do pretty well in the pay level during this half year. It keeps around 100%, and year-to-date pay level continually go down. The most updated data is 103%. However, it is still the highest among our competitors. We are going to continue to reduce some wages to let the data go down to around 100%. And during this half year, our staffing level are stable. The year-to-date data is also continually go down, and now our data is 102%, which is the second place among our competitors. We fixed that high turnover rate in Transport 1, but account represented turnover rate is still over 50%. In general, either pay level or staffing level are back to a normal data compared to the last year.